Hi, kids. I want to tell you a quick story about something pretty incredible that happened to me a few years ago when I was in my car one afternoon. I was stopped at a red light, and it was right in front of the Best Buy headquarters, which is significant because it was just all concrete everywhere, big, huge concrete buildings, the highways right there with the concrete overpass, and no trees or grass or any kind of nature anywhere that I could see. And I'm stopped at a red light, and there's one car in front of me. And then all of a sudden, out of the sky drops two giant bald eagles, and they're winding around and wrestling over some big, long, furry thing. And they're going like this while dropping out of the sky. And then I swear they get like this far from crashing onto the roof of the car in front of me, when all of a sudden one of them lets go of the furry thing and they both go swooping up and flying away. And all of this happened so fast that the light was still red, as I sat there thinking, wow, that's not something you see every day. And when that happens to me, I always ask if there is some message that God is trying to tell me by having this happen right in front of me, or some sign from the universe that I should pay attention to. And so I got to thinking about how these eagles came so close to death because they were choosing to hold on to something that they could have just let go of. And it got me wondering, what was something I was holding on to in my life, even though it was unhealthy? Like a grudge with one of my coworkers, for example, or wanting to fix a family problem instead of accepting that I really had no control over the situation and just needed to let it go. And so I'm wondering if anyone out there has any signs from the universe, messages of God that they have taken in from encounters with nature or unusual things like this happening. I know a lot of times when people see like a crow or sometimes a blue jay that kind of lands and makes eye contact with them, that oftentimes that is taken as a message from someone they know that has died, someone that they love that has died, just kind of checking in with them and saying hello. And so share with me any examples you have of this, of something happening out in the world that you took as a sign. And thank you to those who sent me your ritual examples last time. And kids, how about try noticing when you're out and about, or even just at home, anything unusual happening, and just noticing if there's a way that you could take this as a personal message or a personal sign. And now receive a blessing from the faith community who loves you. May you be aware of God telling you that she loves you, and may you be well. Amen.